Hi guys, this is Ali and I have received a package from a company Asdom and we gonna unbox this package and we gonna see what's inside. So this is here a package and yeah, let's see what's inside of this. Oh wow, very nice. It's a Lingdu LD02 5K dashcam built in and 5.8 gigas Wi-Fi and GPS. So this is basically a camera which I have received in a package and we are going to unbox it. It's a dash cam. It's from the company Lingdu and its model is LD02, I guess. That's what it is. Yeah, LD02, and its description shows that it's a 5K. It has a 3-inch screen, IMX 415, 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi and GPS in it. The Wi-Fi thing is like very useful, like these days. So this is what I looks inside. Wow. So this is a dash cam. It looks really good, like looks like a digital camera kind of thing, but it's a dash cam. And this dash cam comes with a 64 giga by SD card in it. And these are the buttons for the function. These are the 3 buttons. It looks really good quality. It actually makes me like remember the digital cameras back in the days, like in early 2000s. I used to use these kind of cameras as a digital camera for taking pictures, but this one is a dash cam and it's a 5K. As it mentioned on the description, this is a 5K dash cam. So this is a sticky pad. How you gonna do it, I guess. Okay, so it comes with a wire. It takes a, I guess, USB-C, right? Yeah, it comes with a USB-C wire, and this is a installation kit for a wiring inside, like the thing. And there are some more sticky pads for your wiring. Comes with a charger, and this is the mount. We're gonna use it for installing it to our windshield. This is how it goes. This is how it goes. It's gonna come out. Okay, anyways, you're gonna stick this into your windshield like that, and this is a mount for this dash cam. And yeah, this is another sticky pad. Okay, I guess this can come out like that. I'm not sure. You stick the screen protector on your windshield, and then you install it like that, like here. This is a solid, something like that. So yeah. Okay, no, so we're gonna install it like that, right? Yeah. 2 screen protectors, a USB-C cable, a USB-C charger, installation kit, dash cam. I actually like this dash cam. Like, looks like a digital camera to me, and It's a 5K recording, so it looks like a very good quality. Okay, so they also have a app for your iPhone or Android. You can install by scanning this QR code on your phone, and you will get access through the Wi-Fi. It has a built-in Wi-Fi in it, so this dash cam will connect to your phone through the Wi-Fi, and you can use their app to download the videos which is recorded. And this is how their application looks like. So yeah, these Wi-Fi dash cams are very useful these days. You know, like you can just install application on your phone and you have a control of your dash cam on your iPhone or Android, and it's really easy to operate it on the application. So yeah guys, I will install this dash cam in my car and make a video, and we will see the result, and I'll share the video recorded through this dash cam on my YouTube channel. And just stay tuned and watch its results. And if you guys like it, you can also buy this product. The built-in quality is really good. Like the quality of this dash cam, like the material is really good. But obviously you want to see the results, and I'll put the link in a description where you can buy this dash cam. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.